everyone, so today I have got an exciting video and we have got the W7 Advent Calendar. This is this year's 24-day Advent Calendar. I have unboxed the last couple of previous years, 12 days and 24-day Advent Calendars. I'll link my Advent Calendar playlist down below for you guys. I think they are still selling some of their previous years if you prefer, if you like the look of them. But I'm quite excited about this. I think I paid £19 for this, so it works out something like 60p a day. And if I didn't pay £19, I paid 23, but I don't think I did. I think I paid 19. I'll have it on the screen how much I paid anyways and how much it works out per day. But it either works out 60p or 90p a day or something like that. So very budget friendly, very bargain, great for teens. I love the packaging. It's very galaxy and yeah, I just love the packaging. And we're going to unbox it anyways and see what you guys think of it. This is this year's Advent Calendar. I'll have it linked down below. I got it from Amazon. Oh my god, I am just so excited. Are you excited? Because I'm excited. So yeah, I previously just unboxed a L'Oreal Advent Calendar. If you want to go and see that, and that is good. I'm not going to lie, that is good. Yeah, so let's just get into unboxing this. So it is a box style door Advent Calendar again, like it has been in previous years, which is really quite exciting. It makes it a little bit easier for us guys who are unboxing them. Yeah, we're going to unbox it in anyways. So working around about under £1 a day, let's just see. Alright, so we've got day number 1, which feels light. I'm guessing a hair bubble because I feel like we've gotten a hair bubble on day number 1 before in previous Advent Calendars. Oh, it is. I'm really quite happy with this. This is very pretty. I do actually like the W7 hair bubbles. I've got quite a few of their hair bubbles. This will be perfect for like Christmas party. It's like a silky satin, but then it's got little gems dotted around. I feel like this would be beautiful in a low bun. I really like that. I know some people don't like hair bubbles as Advent Calendar days, but I like that. And for the age range this Advent Calendar is aimed at, I think that's a good day in my opinion. So we have got day number 2, which is this one here. I do like the packaging as well because it's very galaxy inspired. I think it's really pretty, so I don't know if I've said that. But we've got day number 2 in anyways. I thought it had nothing in. I thought it had nothing in, but it does. It does. It's wrapped in tissue. We've got a W7 lip twister, but this is an actual a pencil one that you sharpen. I have got, this is in the shade red. So from previous days I have got a lip twister, but it's a screwy up one. I was going to swatch it because I don't want to have like the same product twice. But this is actually a different formula. It's a different style of pencil. I have had sharpening pencils before, but I will swatch the one I own because I feel like it'll be very similar colours, but maybe just a drier formula, so it will look similar to that. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, that is what you get in day number 2. So we want day number 3, which is, yeah, it's gonna be, I think, a lipstick because of the shape. I feel like this is like a lipstick shape. What do you guys think? It is a lipstick. We've had this in previous years. It's very Barbie pink, very fashionable for the minute, you know, the Barbie stuff that's going on at the minute. But yeah, I've had this before. I didn't like the shade on me, so this was definitely a one that I passed on. Yeah, but very cute. I mean, how cute is that? So yeah, that is very cute. Day number 4, which is directly underneath day number 2. And this is the box here. I'm guessing another lip liner in my opinion. We have got a black eyeliner. It's the King Cole one. We have had this in previous years. It's a very much standard black pencil sharpening type eyeliner, but it wasn't bad, but it is more of a drier formula, which I feel like you do get with pencil ones. It's still a nice product, very staple product. It's still a nice product, a staple black eyeliner, you know, that is definitely a staple. So we do want day number 5, which is this one here. And we have, let's see what we have got. I'm guessing another lipstick. Right. It is like a brownie toned lipstick. And oh yes, how pretty is that? That is so pretty. I feel like we've had this in previous years. I'm not sure if I still own this or not, but I feel like we might have had this, or maybe a little bit lighter. But yeah, I love the shade that I do used to love a good brown lip. So that is very pretty. They're just like little Polly Pocket size lipsticks, and I just love them. I think they're so cute. On day number 6, which is directly under 5, I feel like they're all spaced near each other. I feel like they're going in rows, so we don't have to search for them, which is quite good. So on day number 6, another lipstick. We have got a very grey toned, I feel like brown. Oh, it's a bit more warm once you opened it. Little lipstick there. Very pretty. I think the packaging, oh, these are so cute. So that was day number 6. We want day number 7, which is this one here. Oh my god, how pretty is this packaging? How pretty is this? It is a W7 Ladybird Lane blusher. I'm so excited about trying this. I've never tried this. I've never even seen this. Have any of you seen this? Let's swatch it, because I haven't got this. I have had previous Avocado, so W7, so that's why I'm a bit nervous about swatching stuff as much. Oh my god, that is beautiful. It's got a hint of shimmer, but not much. I very much like this. I feel like it kind of gives me like blush bronzer in one vibes. Oh, I'm so excited about that, which is really nice because I love Dallas from Huda. I love Dallas from Benefit, and that's like a blush bronzer vibe. But they've discontinued it now, so that is beautiful. I'm very excited about that. That's day number 7. And day number 8. So I'm thinking maybe another like blush bronzery type product. Oh no, it's not. It is another hair bobble, and how pretty is this rusty brown shade, and it's got them little gems in again. I love that. I think this is stunning. I love that. Absolutely love that. I'm proper chuffed for that. I do love a good scrunchie though. Yeah, but a lot of people would probably complain about that day, but I mean, it's under £1 a day. So yeah, that was day number 8. We want day number 9, which is a larger dough, which is exciting. Feels light, so I'm guessing another bubble. No, it's not. It is one of them, like a toner pad, or one of them pads you can put water on, take your makeup off. Really pretty, pink and black. I'm very excited about that. I use these type of products all the time. I've literally got one covered in makeup right at the side of me where I've took swatches off. So yeah, that will be one that gets well used and well loved. That was day number 9. Day number 10, which is here. We're going in a low. We're going along like this. We are definitely going along, so that's good. It feels like it's wrapped in tissue. Oh my god, how pretty is this? So they definitely have changed it up. There's definitely different products in this Avocado, which I feel is fab. How stunning is this? Oh, this is the Afterglow highlighter. I am in love with this. This is beautiful. So excited about trying that. You could like use individual shades. You could even use it on your eyes or blush it, whirl it all together. I'm so excited about that. That is really pretty. Okay, day number 10. W7, yours are sneaking it out the bag this year, aren't you? Really excited about that. So we've got day number 11, which is here. Oh, I love the packaging of this advent calendar. You know when it's a budget advent calendar. I'm just saying that it's boxes, it's not doors. It's got tissue wrapped around products, and it is a budget advent calendar. So we've got another lip twister lip pencil, and this is in the shade pink. Yeah, in the shade pink. I don't really wear pink lips, so I'll not be swatching that. Beautiful, beautiful though, and I don't think I've got a pink one already from W7 for a swatch from my own collection. So we want day number 12, which is this one here. This one, yeah, I'm 7, 10. We want day number 12. It's a little box, so maybe a lip balm, do you think? What do you think? Maybe a lip balm, because it's a little box. We've got the Banana Dreams loose powder. A little bit too yellow for me, but it is a nice powder. If it worked for my skin tone, I would really like this because it's actually quite a nice loose powder. But yeah, this is just a little bit too yellow tone for me, but a good little day. Tiny little size, but enough to know whether you want to, whether it would work for you. But I will warn you, it hasn't got a sifter. Number 13, which was right next to 12, yeah, is here. I've got a skincare item, I think. It is the Green Apple Overnight Lip Mask. This is what the packaging looks like. Very cute, just very cute really. Let's have a smell of it. Oh, it does smell like apples. This smells really nice at the bottom, so I think it's cruelty free as well. Fab, fab, fab. That's day number 13. We went to day number 14, which is here. I feel like maybe a mascara. I think maybe a mascara. Let's have a look. I think it's an eyeliner. Yeah, it is the Eye Captain. Eye Captain. Oh my god. Wait. Yeah, it is the Eye Captain. It is the Eye Captain lip liner. Oh my god. It is an eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner. I don't wear liquid eyeliner, so I'm not very swatching that. Yeah, but fab. If you don't know, in any ways, it's a bit early for me saying this, but I always do an advent calendar giveaway with some items from all my advent calendars. So if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe down below, guys. That's how you're going to be able to enter. I normally do a 12-day and a 24-day, so I would love it if you subscribe, and then you've got a chance to enter. We want day number 15, which is here. I'm guessing a lipstick by the size of it. Yeah, let's have a look. It is. We have, oh no, it's not. It is a mini little lip gloss. I love these little lip glosses. I never get around to using them, so I normally end up gifting them along, but I think they're the cutest little thing, and I think this is a beautiful shade. I don't think I've had this shade before, so I'm quite excited. It's perfect keeping your handbag if you went out a lot. We want day number 16, which is right here. We have got a clear lip gloss. We definitely got this in last year's advent calendar, I'm positive, and I probably got it in the drawer, to be honest. Yeah, what really can you say about clear lip gloss? But it's like a staple, isn't it? So that was a good little day. And day number 17, which is this one here. Let's have a look. See, we have got the W7 Way of Life hand cream, and it's a good little size for a hand cream, just about right, a 20ml. I think that's kind of little size. Does it have a seal on? If it has a seal, note. It smells nice enough. Yeah, I'm not going to try that though, because I've got millions of hand creams on the go at the minute. We want day number 18, which is at the side. Maybe another little blush, do you think? I think it might be. We have got the W7 Glow Commotion Shimmer Highlight. I've had this quite a few times, and when I used to false tan on my face, I used to love this, but I am I would say just a little touch too pale for it, but it's a really nice little highlighter. Definitely one that I think is a good budget highlighter option, in my opinion. Yeah, but since I'm not being false tan, it's just a little bit too dark for me, but it's a nice highlight, and you could use it as an eyeshadow or something like that, so it's a good little day. And day number 19, which is this one here. I'm very excited about this, I'm not gonna lie. I just love advent calendars. We have got a sponge. He looks like he's been through the walls. I don't know if he's meant to be flat there and flat there, but that's what shape he kind of is. I think he is meant to be flat on them edges though, because he feels like he's meant to be that flat. But yeah, and these grow when you get them wet. Day number 20, which was right at the side of 19, we have got, let's have a look, see, another lip gloss. I'm thinking, I think it is, yeah it is, and it is like a peachy sparkly shade, very pretty, cute dinky size again. Day number 21 we've got here. It feels a bit heavy, this one. It is Honolulu by W7. This is just a little mini size again. I feel like all of them are like little mini sizes, and I've had this before, and it's really quite a nice bronzer as well. And I think it's like meant to be a dupe for Hula, but I feel like this is a little bit lighter than Hula if I remember rightly, but I could be wrong. Day number 22, another lip twister, and this is in the shade Nude. Day number 23, the day before the last day, we have got maybe a mascara, do you think? Oh, it feels different. It's like a square packaging. We have got, oh, I like this. This is the W7 My Atlantis lip gloss. This looks beautiful. This looks really pretty. It's just like a clear, sherry toned lip gloss. Very much an everyday type of lip gloss. Really nice. I really like that. And it's a decent-ish size as well. Yeah, I'm quite excited about that. Day number 24, the last day. Do you think it's going to be a mascara? I don't know. We'll see. Maybe a lipstick. I think it's a lip product. Oh, no, it isn't. It is the W7 Move Lashes Lengthening Mascara. Let's have a look at what this looks like. So that is it there. I feel like it's very roller lash vibes. I'm very excited about that. Yeah, give that a go. And it's a nice size as well. So that is the W7 Avancanda Unboxed, the 24-day one for this year. I don't know whether they're doing a 12-day one or anything like that. I got this from Amazon. It is available now. I think I pre-ordered it. I ordered it and then it was saying unavailable, but comes when it's available, and it came within a few days, to be honest. I really like that they've put new products in. I still feel like they still had a few of their older like products that have been in the last few years, but I like that they're improving, and for the money you just can't go wrong. This is perfect for a teenager. W7 products are really nice products. Their actual, one of their face powders is like a staple everyday product in my life. I use it every day, the one with the colour correction. Don't think they sell it anymore, which is such a shame, but yeah, that is like a staple. I use that every day without fail. So I can't fault W7 products. I do really quite like them. Yeah, and I think this is a good little mascara. I'm excited about trying their new I do think this is a good little Avancanda. I'm excited about trying their mascara. I love the look of the Ladybird blush. I love that little eye shimmer highlighting palette. I'm really chuffed with this. I think it was fab. I feel like they've done a good job with it. For the money, definitely. I think this is fab for teenagers, young ones. Even if you just prefer budget makeup, I think this is fab. I'm really chuffed with it. I'm glad I got it. And I'm glad that they're improving and not keeping the same thing in their Avancanda year after year, you know. Yeah, so chuffed with this, definitely. I'll link it down below for you guys. And anyways, like I say, if you haven't already, I would love to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.